Hi, today in front of me OUKITEL C33 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So open for the settings and then tap to network and internet. Tap to internet section and to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click on the switcher. After that, you will see here all of the available networks. Tap to this network and enter the password. After that, you could tap to show password checkbox to check if you just don't have any mistakes. After that, just tap to connect button. That's it. So now you could see that our device successfully connected to this network. You could turn on the Wi-Fi by clicking by the same way to the switcher and to find all of the saved networks in saved networks list. Also, we got one more way how we could do that, and here you will see the Wi-Fi icon. Click on this icon to activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off by this way, and to launch full Wi-Fi settings from here, hold it for a while and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.